Hi guys, good afternoon. So for today may dumating tayong package from Japan. So this one is a Louis Vuitton Jeronimo body bag or belt bag. So it depends on how you will wear it. So let's check. So binibenta din natin to if you guys want. It's 30,000 pesos. So rank AB na siya, but it's still in good condition. So let's open it. Wait lang guys. So, complete siya. May box and then dust bag. So, galing tong Japan. In-order ko. Let me just open this one. Wait lang guys. Ito guys. So, ito yung box niya. Ayan guys. Ito. And then, let's open it. Wait lang guys. So may free chocolate pa siya.
I'm not sure what you mean.
And then ito, check natin. So ito yung dust bag niya. Ayan guys. As you can see. And then this one. Ayan. So close up natin guys. So first, Jeronimo ko to. Ayan guys, makita nyo yung gold hardware niya. Sobrang ganda pa. And then the zipper. Ayan. And then this one. And then this one. Ayan. And then this one. So ito yung latest. Alam ko ito yung latest yung nakakalas. Ayan o. Kasi yung luma, hindi siya nakakalas na version. So for this one, nakakalas yung ano niya, yung lock. And then very, very gold pa siya. And then the strap, it's really good. Ayan. So yung version niya is newer compared dun sa old Jeronimo kasi natatanggal yung ano niya, yung lock. And then let's check inside. So, meron din siyang, ito, babasahin. Care card. And then, inside, let's check. So, very smooth pa din ang kanyang zipper. Ayan, guys. Ayan. So, very clean. Malinis na malinis pa siya sa loob. Ayan, guys. So, this one, it's Louis Vuitton Jeronimo. Ayan, guys. Napakaganda pa niya. So, no discoloration siya. And then, intact pa din yung mga sides niya. So, there's no rubs. Ganda nga, oh. Malinis pa siya. Gamitin ko na nga lang to. Okay. So, thank you guys!